If your Outlook inbox is packed with emails and you want a fast way to clear it out, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to clean up your Outlook inbox quickly and easily so you can remove a large batch of messages without deleting them one by one. This is a simple method that can save you a lot of time, especially if your inbox is piled up over days, weeks, or even months. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Outlook account and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're inside Outlook, go straight to your inbox. This is where all your incoming messages are stored, and this is the section we're going to clean up. Now look near the top of your inbox, right next to the Focused and Other tabs. You'll see a Select option there, and that is what you need to click. This option allows you to choose multiple emails at once, instead of handling each message individually. After clicking the Select option, look for the Select box at the top of the list. Check that box, and Outlook will instantly select all the mails currently showing in your inbox. This is the key step, because it lets you prepare the entire inbox for deletion in just a second. Once all the emails are selected, go to the top of the page and click Delete. Outlook will remove the selected messages from your inbox, helping you clear out the clutter and organize your account much faster. If you selected all messages in the inbox, they will be cleaned up right away, giving you a much more manageable inbox to work with. This is especially useful if you're trying to start fresh, reduce distractions, or simply keep your Outlook account tidy and easier to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to clean up your Outlook inbox in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.